Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I am doing great. I hope you are doing great as well. So, who wants to play with some resin today? I do. And that's what we're going to do. So, I have had this mold forever, probably over a year. It is a pop socket mold that looks like a geode, right? A slice of a geode. Okay, well, I knew I was not going to be able to make it look like a geode, so I wasn't even going to attempt that. I just wanted to have fun and throw some resin in there. So I used the Let's Resin Again resin that I have used before, and y'all, I love this resin. Not being sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, give me a ring-a-ding-a-ding. Again, this resin is so easy to work with. It is almost foolproof. I did not put enough of the bee resin, bee part of it, in when I was mixing it, and I could tell because it wasn't getting clear. It was still staying a little bit cloudy. So I just kept adding a little bit of the bee part resin in until it got clear. So it is almost foolproof, y'all, to use this resin. And the bubbles are very minimum. I mean, extremely, extremely minimum. And it is just a beautiful resin. You can see clean through it, which I love. So I do what I do, which is put glitter in things because, hello, I love the sparkles. So I added different color of glitter in there, even some black, just to give it a little bit of a different look. And now I'm playing with alcohol ink in this. Okay, I knew the minute I put this yellow in, I goofed at y'all, and that is white alcohol ink. Don't think you can use just white pigment or white white acrylic paint. That is not going to work. It's got to be white alcohol ink in order for this to work. But I knew when I put that green in, or yellow, that I was going to make green because of the blue, and that makes what? Red and green make brown. So I knew I was going to have brown somewhere in that pop socket, and I knew that minute that I probably messed that up. But what can you do? It's already poured. So I had a bunch of resin left, so I just did the most logical thing, grabbed this fairy winged mold that I got from my Sophie and Toffee July box and just went to town with it, and just added, you know, didn't make the mistake here, did I? No. Added no yellow because I knew it was not going to be pretty if I did. If I put the pink in there, which I wanted the pink in. And I did overfill the one mold, but it was easy enough just to scrape it down into the other wings. And no harm, no foul. I got 3 of the wings out of the extra pour that I did. So I was excited about that. And this mold is so easy to clean up because it's silicone. So there I'm using my heat gun to try to pop bubbles, and it really didn't work as well as it normally does. So on the next one that I try, I spritz it with alcohol. I have alcohol in a spray bottle. Unfortunately, I didn't film this part, but you just spray it and it pops the bubbles just flawlessly. So here are the wings. I'm not using them in this project. I just wanted to show you what they ended up looking like. I am, however, going to be using them in a future project that's going to be coming up. So just have your eyes peeled for that. I'm excited about what I have in my mind, what I want to use these little wings for. But on this one, because I used foil, I used that foil that came in the box as well. You couldn't see the white through it, which was fine. It still was very pretty. All of these I really enjoyed. I think they look just fantastic. I just love the way that they turned out. They're just too cool. So again, I'm holding on to them. The last one that I'll pop out, I actually think you can make earrings out of it if you're daring enough to wear really big earrings, you know, because you can just put holes in them and have little danglies and stuff. So, but yeah, nice mold. I really like the Sophie and Toffee molds. I think that they are very detailed and very pretty. I really do like the color of this one too. I like how that white bled through like that. So it just makes it look a little different, which, you know, I happen to enjoy. And there's that cute wing. Now to pop this monstrosity out of its case. Yeah. When I popped it open, I'm not gonna lie, I was disappointed, but again, I knew I was gonna have brown in it because I mixed freaking yellow in there, which I should not have done. So don't be like me and put yellow in when you put red and blue in a thing. Don't do that unless you want brown. Then go ahead, do it. So at first I was like, oh, this is just a fail. Oh, but I liked the white. I really did. I thought it looked really cool. And of course I love the glitter. The glitter is mwah. But I was like, oh man, this is a fail. Urgh. But then I put it on my phone case and I was like, you know what? This doesn't look too bad. It's not too bad. It looks okay once you get it on the case. It's not too awfully bad. So I go ahead and I am going to use it as one of my pop sockets. Now I am going to go ahead and make 2 more because this was so easy and it was so much fun. So again, I'm just using the Let's Resin resin. I'm going to add my glitters to it. Try to choose glitters that were a little bit more with my phone. Add black in it as well, but I add no alcohol ink to this one. I just wanted it clear. And then when I pop it out, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, but it's too clear. Because then when I put it on the pop socket, I'm like, oh my gosh, all you're going to see is just the round part of the pop socket, and that is going to not look cute at all. Yucky. No, I don't like that. I mean, I loved how clear it was. Look how clear that is. I'm telling you, you can read through this. But it was not what I wanted. So then I thought, you know what? I'm going to paint it. So I use acrylic paint. And I think it took 2 coats, and this is Dusty Roads from Deco Art that I'm using. And I do end up putting some liquid matte finish on it just to seal it because I wanted to make sure that it wouldn't chip off or anything like that. So I used 2 coats of that as well, and I just let them dry. I go around the edge with some just gold metallic paint, and again seal it with the matte medium there. So I had some palettes that I had poured in my Sophie and Toffee box video just to check out the different resins, and y'all, I love this little thing. So I decided I wanted to put it on my pop socket, right? Because I'm an artist, so I thought it would be cute. So I painted the back white so it would look like a white palette, and then I used my Posca pens to put the rainbow colors in the little paint wells that are there. Oh my gosh, y'all, I think it looks so flippin' cute. This might be one of my favorite things I've ever done. Look at it. It's so cute and sparkly. Love it, love it, love it. So I went ahead and I used UV resin to attach it to the pop socket. And, you know, I was like, is this going to work? I don't know, but we're going to try it. And y'all, it really worked very well. I pulled on it and pulled on it to make sure, and I've been using this pop socket for days, and so far so good. I think it looks so cute together. And I will go ahead and add a little bit of UV resin in the little wells because they seemed a little flat because it was just acrylic paint. So I wanted to go ahead and do that just to make it all very glossy. And I think it looks super cute. So I wasn't done though. I was like, no, let's make one more. So I just put black pigment that I got from Sophie and Toffee with all my beautiful glitters. Went ahead and put them in the mold because it's so easy to do, right? You just have to wait. So waited a day and then bam! Y'all, look at that! Oh my gosh! Look at the glitters. Look at the, oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. So there are my 3 pop sockets that are interchangeable with the pop socket that I got off of Amazon. You're able to take the tops off. Here I'm removing my old one, just using a heat gun and some alcohol to get the sticky off of it. A little bit of tweezers to get up underneath there, and it worked perfectly fine. I mean, it didn't hurt my case. I made sure I didn't stay on it too long. I'm going to use the E6000 to add the pop socket onto, or the resin onto the pop socket itself, and it's just so easy to peel that label off and just to put it on there, and you get the beautiful, beautiful pop socket. It ends up, oh, I love it. It is so cute. So here are my 3 pop sockets that I have done. The one with the palette, the black one, I call it Galaxy, and then the other one that was, you know, a mistake, but it looks okay. I mean, it's, you know, it is what it is, but it was fun, and that is all that matters to me, is that I had fun doing this, which I did. And there I'm just showing how easy it is to interchange them in and out. It's the old style, I guess, where if you have little tabs, you can take them in and out. I don't know, but it works either way. So I love this. I had so much fun. I hope you loved it. I hope you had so much fun. I hope this inspired you just to create and have a lot of fun. If it did, please like the video. Share it, and also subscribe. If you've not subscribed, that will just help my channel to grow. Alright, y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.